Some love stories begin with choice, while others start with obligation. But what happens when two people are forced into marriage? Will love find its way, or will fate tear them apart? If you enjoy intense emotions, power struggles, and unexpected romance, then this list is for you. And the best part? You can watch all these dramas with English subtitles. Let's begin. 1. Siakalp, Black Heart. Siakalp tells the story of a brilliant heart surgeon whose world shatters after losing his wife. When fate entangles him with a woman from an entirely different background, their forced union becomes a battlefield of emotions. Can love heal wounds, or will the past haunt them forever? To know more, watch this drama. 2. Kzl Gonkela, Redbuds. In Kzl Gonkela, two feuding families decide to settle their rivalry by forcing their children into marriage. While resentment and hostility run deep, unexpected moments of understanding begin to change their relationship. But will they let go of their past to build a future together? To know more, watch this drama. 3. Sapphire, Sapphire. Sapphire follows Feraye, a talented art student whose life takes a drastic turn after a tragic incident. To protect her family's reputation, she is forced to marry Ates, the heir to a powerful family. But with hidden secrets and unspoken pain, can their marriage turn into something real? To know more, watch this drama. 4. Gulsemel. Gulsemel has spent her entire life seeking revenge for being abandoned as a child. But when fate forces her into marriage with a man she detests, emotions she never expected begin to surface. Can hatred truly transform into love, or will her past consume her future? To know more, watch this drama. 5. Saint Kolkapm, Love is in the Air. Eda is an ambitious florist whose life is turned upside down when Sarkan, a wealthy businessman, ruins her dreams. Desperate to fix things, he offers her a deal, pretend to be his fiancée. But what starts as an arrangement slowly turns into something neither of them expected. Will their fake engagement lead to real love? To know more, watch this drama. 6. Hududsiz Sevda, Boundless Love. Two strangers, bound by duty rather than love, are forced into marriage to maintain family honor. As they navigate their forced union, they face misunderstandings, betrayal, and unexpected emotions. Will they fight their fate, or will love unexpectedly blossom between them? To know more, watch this drama. 7. Yal Capn, The Golden Boy. Ferret, a carefree playboy from a wealthy family, is forced to marry Seyran, a simple yet strong-willed woman. Their marriage starts as a duty, but as their lives intertwine, they begin to challenge each other in unexpected ways. Will their marriage turn into a real love story, or will it end in heartbreak? To know more, watch this drama. 8. Bir Jees Masal, A Night Story. After a series of unexpected events, two complete strangers wake up as husband and wife. With no way out, they must figure out how to survive together. But as secrets unravel and feelings grow, will they see their marriage as a mistake or a second chance at love? To know more, watch this drama. 9. Ego, Erki Guven Olmaz, Men Can't Be Trusted. Elif and Erhan were deeply in love, but financial struggles turned their relationship into a nightmare. When an opportunity presents itself, they are forced into a deal that tests their trust and commitment. Can love survive betrayal, or is their relationship doomed from the start? To know more, watch this drama. Forced marriages in Turkish dramas always come with intense emotions, unexpected twists, and deep character growth. Each of these series offers a different take on this theme, some filled with drama, some with romance, and others with suspense. So, which one are you excited to watch? Let me know in the comments.